Now I am going to tell you something very important. We call it as kill the fear. Kill the fear. So why do we fear to speak English? The reason, if I tell you, you will get surprised.
Actually, I need that one only, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody is there only. That is only.
Yeah. So actually, the reason behind it is that you are a very good person. That is the reason. Why you fear to speak English? The reason is that you are a very, very good person and you are a perfectionist. Sir, what is this? You may ask me. You see, it is something like this. If at all I do anything, I should do it perfectly. Then only I should do. This is a belief system you have. That is the reason you are having this particular fear. Oh, if I make any mistake, others may feel bad. I am doing some kind of injustice to English. So your too much of respect for English is creating this problem. So my dear friends, I tell you, English is not at all difficult. English is easy. English is fun. So have that kind of confidence in your mind. English is easy. English is fun.
English is fun.
Perfect. Perfect. Why am I saying fun? Means we have a topic in the coming classes, I tell you. We call it as a passive voice. For example, she cooked. She cooked. It means what? It's in the past tense. She cooked. So she took some vegetables and all she cooked. But in between, if you put is, she is cooked. The total meaning is changed. She is cooked means somebody
Present
took
tense.
her and they cooked her. So she is like a vegetable now. So that small word is making all the difference. So that is called passive voice. There we need to understand she is cooked. In this sentence, cooked is not a second form of the verb. It is a third form of the verb. Cook V1, cooked V2, second form, cooked V3. So, for example, gave, given. Here V1, V2, V3 are clear. But some verbs, cook, cooked, cooked. And we get confused. She is cooked means, so sir, past tense means I put she was cooked. In that case also meaning is the same. She was cooked means on that day somebody cut her and somebody cooked her. That's the meaning. So that's the reason funny I'm telling. So just by adding one word, you are getting the totally wrong meaning. In the same way, I am blessed by God. How many kids you have? Sir, I am blessed with two kids. I am blessed with two kids. Means in Urdu we say, no, Bhagwan ki den hai. Like that. So I am blessed with, so that is Bhagwan ki kripa hai. So he blessed me. So वो भगवान का तरीका है. मुझे दो बच्चे वो बख्श दिया है. That is the meaning of it. I am blessed. But if you say I blessed, here that am you take away. I blessed means you are giving, Dirga Ishman Baba, you are blessing someone. So that is the meaning of it. So the presence or absence of one word, it brings a totally different meaning. So that is the reason I am telling you, it is funny. So you have to be very clear. For example, I tell you one more example. I can sing also. I can sing also. That also word you are putting at the end means I can cook, I can drive, I can ride, and I can sing also. May gana bhi ga sakta. Like that. But if you put also after I also can sing. Means Raju can sing, Vikram can sing, Venkatesh can sing. I also can sing. వాళ్ళు కూడా పాడతారు వాళ్ళు పాడతారు నేను కూడా పాడతాను like that. That is so that meaning of that also word if you put some in a wrong place, what you wanted to convey is different, what you are conveying is different. Sometimes because of these small errors, people might have laughed at you. I don't know. So people might have laughed at you in the past. Because of that, we developed a kind of fear. Oh my God, if I speak, others are laughing. Better I don't speak. So that is the kind of attitude we developed. Not necessary. We have to develop the kind of attitude. I should speak correctly and I will make my language very much effective. So that is the reason you have to take a decision to speak happily. And even if someone laughs also, ask them, why are you laughing? What is your problem? What is the error in my sentence? From that you can learn. So this is the way, this is the beginning. Now I show you a PPT. It will give you clarity. So how you can kill the fear, I am telling you. Are you able to see on your screen a PPT?
Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. The title is Kill the Fear.
Yeah.
Why we are getting fear? As I told you, you're all very good people and you are in the comfort zone. So you do not want to be laughed at. You do not want others to criticize, and you are feeling safe. If no one laughs at your English, you are feeling safe and you are feeling comfortable and you are in control of your own self. So that is the reason you are feeling comfortable. But this is a false comfort. This is a false comfort, and this will not give you growth. This will not give you progress. So, moreover, whenever someone gives you an idea, hey, so why don't you speak English? Then fear zone. You are entering into fear zone. This fear zone is creating some kind of tension in my mind. Oh my God, if I speak English, others are laughing. I am not able to speak. I cannot put my ideas. So you are intimidated, means you are scared by the idea. This I have to speak. For this, confidence was missing. So that's the reason you are finding various excuses. No, sir, I cannot speak. I don't have grammar. I don't know words. I that these. You are finding so many excuses are giving. But now, fortunately, by God's grace, you took a right decision. Now you entered into the third circle. This is a light blue color circle. That is, what is this circle name?
Problem solving.
Learning zone.
Learning zone.
Learning zone. You are enter into learning zone. So here you will be solving the problems with the help of the trainer. The coach here is giving you the help, and here you are getting the opportunity. Here you are receptive to outside inputs. Now, all these days you were closed. Even if someone tries to give some explanation or some kind of training, you are not accepting. Now your mind has reached the status of receptive to outward input. So someone is helping you, you are accepting that help. And now in this process, you are acquiring the new skill. So this is called learning zone. So this is a wonderful zone in our life, not only for English, for any skill as such. So first, we do not know car driving, but we feel comfort. "Arey yaar, kya hai isme?" I will make a Ola booking. I will call one driver. He will come and he will take me. So you are in comfort zone and you are not at all taking risk. But someone asks you, come on, drive the car. Oma, driving car, it is difficult. Oh, accident may happen, or that may happen, this may happen. So that way you tell, I don't have time. Various excuses also we give. So that is what second zone, that is car driving I'm talking about. Comfort zone, we don't know driving, but we are happy, and it is a false happiness. It is not comfortable. If we know driving on our own, so many advantages are there, but we are feeling false safety. Now, in this, if someone motivates also, we are saying various excuses. Aaj nahi, kal, not today, tomorrow, like that. Then that is the fear zone. But learning zone, some close friend or a trainer or a coach or some family member is trying to give you the inputs. Now you are learning. Now you are solving the problem. Now you are receptive to new ideas. Now you are acquiring the new skill. Now this will lead you to the growth zone. Anytime a skill, new skill will give you growth. So you are expanding your vision. You are expanding your vision and horizons. Through this, you automatically you are going to be the champion. Now you are surpassing all the milestones. You are surpassing all the limitations. Whatever yesterday was stopping you, today you are overcoming that, and you are defining new goals in life. You can expand your business across the state, across South India, across North India, across the country, global business. Today, you can see if invariably I'll be getting, I take, for example, I ask the emails of all the people. If you see, 99% of the people have their emails with Gmail. It is a success of Gmail company, Google company success it is. So Google, once they started this particular email, at the time, Yahoo was the brand leader. The email marketing, in the email business, Yahoo was brand leader. At that time, Google entered. They took a decision. We should be the global leader. Today, 99% of the people are using Gmail as their email account. In the same way, when YouTube was started, they made one simple statement. We replace television. We replace television. People should stop watching television and people should watch only YouTube. So that is the kind of goal they had. So like that, once you come out of this particular comfort zone, once you stop coming out of this fear zone, once you enter into the learning zone, now the ultimate zone is the final zone. So you can create new goals. The world might not have thought this kind of thing could have existed. For example, you see Geeta ji, she said that. So nobody thought this cutting the vegetables can be automated. So a machine can do that. So she had that a brilliant idea. Now, in the same way, Mr. Muhammad Azhar said a while ago that he wanted to expand his business and he had already registered a brand name and he wanted that to be present anywhere in the country. First, to begin with South India, then across the country, then across the world. So the whole anything is possible. Your mind can get you anything. So that is what growth zone. So for this, what is the needed? What is the thing that is needed? Title. Kill the fear. Kill the fear, fear zone. As long as you are in the fear zone, you will not get anything. So you have to enter into the learning zone. Now you have all entered. My wholehearted congratulations to you all. Once again, you have entered into the learning zone. From here onwards, the growth zone starts. Now here, my dear friends, here let me tell something about the fear. You can kill your worst fear through the power of your mind. It is your power. In fact, I am only a facilitator. It is your inward journey. It is mind's magic. Mind is stopping us to achieve the things. Once you get grip over the mind, anything is happen. You see, few people fear to attend an interview, you might have seen, and few people fear to speak English, and few people fear to speak in public. They got good knowledge, they got excellent grip over the language, they are fluent. Among their friends, they speak, but taking a mic and speaking in public, they get scared. And few people have got a fear to face the group discussions. Peculiar fears are there. In fact, you don't even realize if I tell. So there are people who get scared to travel in an elevator. Lift, they cannot go. That is called a kind of phobia. Among the four walls, they cannot be. In the same way, few people have got the fear for heights and they cannot go to hill stations and all. They don't enter into flight and all. And there are people who have got a fear towards water. In one movie, Nagarjuna played one role, Manmadhudu, I believe. In that movie, Nagarjuna has got the fear for that water, aquaphobia, I feel. So that way, different kind of fears are there. So I really need to say that you are all champions for that matter. You are free from any fears. Only some small hesitation you have towards speaking English. Now come out of that small fear also. Definitely, you will be the winner. Are you ready for it?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Very good. So only few people are raising their hand. I want to see all the people. Are you ready to speak
Yes,
English
sir.
fluently? Very good. Very good. Geeta ji, you are not raising hand.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Perfect. Very good. Very good. So I trouble you all. Huh? Don't worry. So till you get success, I will not leave you. Great. Great. Thank you. Well, let me tell you some more deeper insight, deeper things, deeper inside things. Fear leads to inaction. Inaction means we don't take first step. Inaction leads to poor performance, and poor performance leads to failure. Again, failure leads to
Failure.
you see, it's a vicious cycle. So once we are into that trap, we will never come out of it. Dal bolte hain Urdu. So it is. So that is like it. So what is the solution? First sentence is the solution. Take the action. So fear leads to inaction. So the solution is take the action. Now that is what you did today. Now, my dear friends, I have few questions. Do you know why do we fear? Why do we feel confident? The answer for both the questions is the same. Next, who is your best friend? And second question, who is your worst enemy? The answer for both the questions is same. Now, who makes you win? Who makes you fail? The answer for both the questions is the same. Now, the answer for all the above questions in the past 3 slides, the answer is the mind. So your best friend is your mind. Your worst enemy is also mind. So, my dear friends, once you make use of the mind, your mind can take you to any new place. So it is the mind's magic. For our success, the solution is to make use of the magic of our mind. So that is what self-talk. So self-talk is what? Usually people who are not very successful, if you observe, they are internally talking to themselves in a negative way. No, it is not possible. I cannot do. It is impossible. This kind of negative talk they keep on doing. So the solution is positive talk. I can speak. I can win. English is easy. English is fun. I am lovable. I am capable. I am important. So this is the kind of positive self-affirmations we have to give, and this is a very positive self-talk we have to talk, and then the action starts. So today I'm giving you a small homework. What is that homework? I tell you. So our subconscious mind is more powerful than a supercomputer, my dear friends. During our childhood, our subconscious mind was like a white paper without any impressions. Later, we filled all the things, unwanted things like a fear, worry, tension, and all. And the winners, they filled their mind with the confidence and positive visuals. Now, what you can do is that you have to fill your mind with positive visualization. So tomorrow while coming, come prepared with a clear visualization. What visualization you have to come prepared? On last day of this class, on the final day of this class, on the 30th day of this particular course, how do you want to be? Just come prepared with positive visualization. You are taking a mic and you are speaking in front of the people. Hundreds of people are sitting. You are speaking, the people are clapping, and you are speaking fluently, and you are mesmerizing the audience with your powerful speech, and audience are taking your photographs, audience are taking selfies also with you. People are waiting to have a selfie with you. People are waiting to have an interview with you. So this kind of visuals, you come prepared. Is it difficult? No, it is very much easy. To produce RRR movie or to produce a Bahubali, so many crores of rupees are needed. But this mental picture to visualization to develop, it is free of cost. Only thing is that we never might have tried. At the most, we might have tried with a fear visualization. I cannot speak. It is difficult. It is tough. Now, for a change, tomorrow I am giving you a small task, the homework. Come prepared. Spend some 10 minutes time, not more than that. Do not get disturbed by anyone. Sit in a separate room. Ask your friends and family members not to disturb you. Sit there and close your eyes and fill your mind with positive visuals. Your success. Why did you join this course? What is that you want to get through this particular course? What is the kind of benefit you want to achieve through this course? Those things you have already got. You feel that. You have got, feel that way, and you need not share those things with me. So by being good at English, what are the benefits that you are going to get? By being good at fluency in English, what are the advantages you want to welcome into your life? What kind of changes you want to bring in your life? These are all the things that you start visualizing. You need not share those things with me. Don't worry. It is purely your personal. For example, one young boy may be there. I don't know. So one young boy is there. His dream is that, sir, if I speak English fluently, my girlfriend will feel good about me. That is my dream. Chalo. So let him visualize that way only. I don't have any objection. He is speaking nicely and he's impressing her and she's also feeling happy and he's also feeling happy. So that is his goal. I don't know. So in the same way, each of you, you have invested money. You have invested your money and you are investing your time. Definitely, there must be a logic, there must be a reason, there must be a motto, there must be a motive behind that. So what is that particular motivation? Now imagine as if that particular dream has got fulfilled. So have continuous visuals, have continuous visualization with this particular motto, as if you are speaking fluently and all the benefits that are linked with your fluency have got fulfilled. This is the picture you have to run your mind. Is it possible? Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That is the homework. That is the
Yes, sir.
homework
Yes,
for
sir.
you. So why, sir? Why should we do that? Based on that, tomorrow I am going to conduct a motivational lecture. No, not a lecture. I am going to take you into a different world through visualization technique. So that's the reason this homework is needed. So come prepared with that particular thing. So this is the compulsory thing. Very simple thing. Hardly 10 minutes of your time is needed. So my dear friends, it is 8 o'clock, 27 minutes. Oh my God, time is fleeting like anything. So tomorrow we are going to take up visualization technique. It takes about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. After that, we are going to start the syllabus tomorrow. Because I firmly believe in making the groundwork perfect. So if the groundwork is perfect, then automatically things will happen. So do not have any tension. Do not have any worry. All your problems are solved. All your problems related to fluency are solved. You are in the right direction.